Welcome to this video about English words that start with the letter U. Today we will learn many useful words with clear meanings and examples. And yes, we will also mention the magical unicorn, a symbol of imagination, even if it's not the most useful word for daily life. Ugly, not pretty or pleasant to see. That house is ugly. Ugly. Unpleasant or bad. They had an ugly fight. Ulcer, a sore on the skin or inside the body. He has a stomach ulcer. Ultimate, the end point or the last thing in a process. Finishing university is the ultimate step before starting my career. Ultimate, the greatest, the best, or the most extreme example of something. After many months of training, running the marathon is the ultimate goal. For many football players, winning the World Cup is the ultimate goal. In the summer, after school ends, I love playing FIFA on the PlayStation and building my ultimate team with the best players. Umbilical cord, the cord that connects a baby to the mother before birth. The doctor cut the umbilical cord. Umbrella, object to protect from rain or sun. She took an umbrella. Umbrella, a covering or protection. The project is under the umbrella of the UN. Uncle? Brother of your father or mother? My uncle is very kind. Underage, too young by law. He is underage and cannot drive. The police closed the bar for selling alcohol to underage people. Underage is common in everyday speech, while minor is used more in legal or formal contexts. The club does not allow minors inside. He was still a minor when he signed the contract, so it was not valid. Underdone, not cooked enough. The steak is underdone. Underestimate, think something is less than it really is. Don't underestimate her talent. Underestimate, miscalculate something. They underestimated the cost. Underfed, not having enough food. The animals are underfed. Underfoot, under your feet. Be careful. Toys are underfoot. Underfoot, in the way. He always gets underfoot in the kitchen. Underground, below the surface of the ground, there are underground tunnels. Underground, secret or hidden. The rebels worked underground. Underground, a train system that runs below the ground, especially in the UK. I take the underground to work. Underline, draw a line under words. Please underline the answer. Underline, emphasize. The teacher underlined the importance of reading. Underpants, clothes you wear under other clothes. He bought new underpants. Underpass, a tunnel for cars or people under a road. We walked through the underpass. Undercut, cut below or lower. The barber undercut his hair to make the sides shorter while keeping the top long. Undercut, weaken something. His negative comments undercut my confidence before the exam. Undercut, sell at lower price. The new store undercut all the local shops by offering the same products at lower prices. Red Bull tried an undercut on Mercedes by pitting one lap earlier. Undo, reverse an action. You can undo the last step on the computer. Undo, open or loosen. After a long day, she sat on the sofa and slowly undid her shoes to relax. Uniform, special clothes for a group. Soldiers wear a uniform. Uniform, always the same. The houses are uniform in style. Unify, bring together. The city decided to unify its two basketball teams to create a stronger team next season. Union, the act of joining together. Marriage is a union between two people who decide to share their lives together. The European Union brings many countries together under common rules. Union. The union is an organization that defends the rights of workers. It negotiates with the owners about salary, working hours, and conditions. Unique, one of a kind. Each fingerprint is unique. Unique, very special. She has a unique style. Unit, one part of a whole. A kilogram is a unit of weight. Unit, a group. The Army sent a special unit. United, joined together. The workers stood united against the problem of low wages. Together, they organized meetings, spoke with the union, and demanded better working conditions. Unity, the state of being one. The speech called for unity among the people to face the economic crisis. Universe, all space, stars and planets. The universe is huge. University, place of higher education. She studies law at the university. Update, to make something newer or more correct, I need to update my phone. Update, a new version or information. The app has a new update. Upgrade, make something better. He upgraded his computer by adding more memory and a faster processor. Upgrade, a better version. She got a seat upgrade on the plane, so instead of sitting in economy class, she was moved to business class. Uphill, rising or going upward. We walked uphill. Uphill, difficult. Starting a new business without money is an uphill battle. But with determination, it can succeed. Upper, higher in position, the upper floor is empty. Upper, better in rank, he belongs to the upper class. So he lives in a big house, goes to private schools, and travels abroad every year. Upright, standing straight, the child sat upright. Upright, honest. She is an upright person who always tells the truth and treats others with respect. Uprising, rebellion or protest. The people started an uprising. Upset, unhappy or worried. She was very upset after hearing the bad news, and she couldn't stop thinking about it all day. Upset, annoyed, a little angry. He was upset because his friend canceled their plans at the last minute. Upset, disturb, or ruin. Don't upset the plan by changing the schedule at the last minute, because everything is already organized. Upset, defeat unexpectedly. The small team upset the champions. Upstairs, on or to the upper floor, she went upstairs to her room. Urge, a strong desire. She felt the urge to laugh. Urge, to strongly ask or encourage. Maya, please. I urge you to think again about counseling. Urgent, very important, and needing quick action. It seems to be urgent. Urinate, to pass liquid waste from the body. The patient told the doctor that he feels pain when he urinates. Urinate is a formal or medical word, often used by doctors or in health contexts. In everyday life, people usually say pee. I need to pee. The child said he wanted to pee before going to bed. She went to the bathroom to pee. Urine, liquid waste from the body. The doctor took a sample of urine. Urn, a container for ashes or for holding liquid. The ashes were kept in an urn. Use, to do something with an object for a purpose. I use my phone every day. And using what I confide in you to undercut me? Use, the act of using, the use of water is important. Used, not new, I bought a used car. Used, accustomed to, I am used to cold weather. Useful, helping or good to use. A map is useful for travelers. Useless, not helping or not good to use. That tool is useless. User, a person who uses something. The app has many users. Usual, normal or happening often. She came at her usual time. Utensil, a tool, often for cooking. A spoon is a kitchen utensil. Utility, usefulness. A map has great utility when you are exploring a new city. Utility, a service like gas, water, electricity, We pay the utility bills. Utter, complete, or absolute. It was utter chaos. Utter, to speak or say. She uttered a few words of apology after realizing she had made a mistake in the meeting. Utterly, completely. The room was utterly silent. Under, in a lower position, the cat is under the bed. Understand. To know the meaning of something, or to know why something happens. Do you understand English when people speak fast? I don't understand this math problem. It's too difficult. I can understand why you are angry. The situation is unfair. Understandable, easy to understand. Her French is understandable, even though she makes some mistakes. My parents don't want me to travel to a dangerous country, and that is understandable. Underwear, clothes you wear under other clothes. She bought new underwear. Up, towards a higher place, she went up the hill. Upload, to send data to the internet. I will upload a photo. Upwards, moving to a higher position. The balloon moved upward into the sky, slowly rising higher and higher until it disappeared from view. Urban, related to a city. They live in an urban area. Urgent, very important and needing quick action. It is urgent to solve this problem today, because if we wait until tomorrow, the damage will be much worse and more difficult to repair. Urgency, importance that needs quick action. The doctor spoke with urgency, telling the parents that their child needed immediate treatment. The manager urgently called the technicians because the computer system had crashed. Usually, most of the time, I usually get up early. That's the end of our journey through words with the letter U. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. I usually finish my videos by saying, keep learning and have fun.